Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last video, we saw how to set up the IntelliJ with JavaFX. In this video, I'm going to do the simple application IntelliJ with JavaFX using SceneBuilder. Now let's open up the SceneBuilder. So select your views, test form fxml file. Right click, open the opening SceneBuilder. Your SceneBuilder is open up. Right, it's open up, it's blank. Now I'm going to go to do the things, right? So here, this is the anchor pan. Here, this is the in our sewing application we are called as frame. Here it is called as anchor pan. This is the difference, right? So here you have a properties window. You have this is a properties window. They are divided by properties, layout, and code. In sewing application, the all are in the same thing, but they separated over here. Now here in the controls of the library section, you have get the all the things like the labels and everything you are getting from here, right? So simply you have to get them here. This one, right? So here what you are going to do is you have to type here the label. You have to drag the label. We have to type here the label. You drag and drop it over here, right? Here, if you want to change the name and everything, you have go to the properties window over here. Here, what you are going to do is the text. I'm going to change it as my first application, first first application JavaFX. First application JavaFX. You have to make it as a center. Now we are click on the font. This is a font property here, font. Okay, the font. Click on here over here. Right. If you click on here, you have to increase the font size little bit bigger. You have to arrange in the middle of the screen, the middle of the anchor pan this here. Here if you want to change the text color, you will be able to change over here, right? Now if you want to the style, you have to make it as bold. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to drag another label. This label, no, we don't need the label at the moment. Now we need a text field. So here we have text field. In the text field, you drag and drop over here, right? You have to drag, sorry, not this one, about this one, right? So you drag it over here. This one I have to remove it, right? This one, okay? This one here, right? This text field, right? You drag and drop it over here. Now here you can see this is the text field, right? So whatever text you can enter over here, right? Now here, if you want to see the preview, select the preview, show preview here. You will be able to type the text. Now what I'm going to select the text. Now you have to point to here the placeholder. So from it text. Enter name. Or enter your name. From it text. Press enter key, then only it will be applied. You can see here from it text. Now I need one button. So how to drag the button? Go to the library and type button. Drag and drop on the anchor pan. The button, right? This button. I'm going to change the name as OK. Press enter key, it will be applied. Go to the font property. You have to change the size little bit bigger, and I'm going to change the style with bold. If you want to change the font family, you will be able to change. Now I'm going to change the font family as Cadre. This is font type FIFA. This is a very nice font. If you want to change the size you want, right? Now if you want to change the button's color, you will be able to change. In our last video I'll explain how to change. Click on here at the button. This is a property. You can go below. You can see the style. There is a style. Here you can change it as a background color. You will be able to change whatever color you need. If you want a red, you will be able to change red. Or whatever color you need. If you want to change the as green, you will be able to yellow. I'm going to change this one as yellow. This yellow. Perfect. It's perfect. Right. Now I have successfully done this design. Right now I'm going to change this, increase the font a little bit bigger. But again, if you feel to increase the size a little bit bigger, we have to arrange like this. Perfect. That's it. That's the thing you have to do it. Right. Now let's decrease the size of the window. Right. Perfect. This is the frame. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this text field. Okay. So here you can see here, if you click on this text field, you can see the hierarchy. The hierarchy, this is the anchor. After that, you have to drag the label. This label. After that, you drag the text field. After that, you drag the button. Here you can see the inside the anchor pan. What are the tools are there? You will be able to. You can check the tools. What are the tools you have dropped it inside the anchor pan? This is called as anchor pan. These are the, if you select the tool, the relevant properties display over here. Here, this the according to, if you select the tool here, according to the property will be here display. Okay, what are the things you have to need? Now I have already done the, you have to add this properties window on, enter your name. I want to give the ID of this text field. How to give the ID? Property window, you can't do it. There's a field which is a code. Here there will be the field identity field. Here we have to add the ID. Then in showing application we have it, that is a name, txt name. Here ID. There is a identity. This identity txt name. We have to write like this. It's called as camel case. This is the professional way to give the name for the text field. Okay, this is the this is a standard. You must follow that. Press enter key. Perfect. Right. So after that, what you are going to do is I'm going to go to click on the button. Go to the button. Button also go to the codes. Code section. We don't need to put the name. We don't need to put the name. Only we have to go to the code. On action. On action means if you have click that particular button, what the action to be performed. What is the action need to be performed? That is must. If you have click this particular button, name should be displayed. Age should be displayed. Okay. If you click this button, age need to display. Okay. So how to do this case? You have to drag another label below. You have to type here the label. This label, drag it below. You have to drag the label below. This label I'm going to increase size little bit bigger. So we have done the task. We get back to the button again. So here's the label. The label also we have to increase size little bit bigger like this. If you want to the font, we have to change this one as this also. Calibrate this one and increase size little bit bigger. Right, perfect. Now here this one also I'm going to change the font color as green. You have to click the green color. Okay, perfect. Right, green color. It's perfect. Now here, after that, select this label. Here I want to change, I want to remove this text. Okay, I want to remove this text. And after that, I'm going to go to the code. Here I have to give the ID txt. This one should be a message. Here where we have to display the message. If you click this button, message should be displayed over here. If you enter the name, click OK. Name would be displayed over here. So the label name I have given is txt message. Right, that's it. Now let's back to my button. This is a button. On action, we have to give as btn click. This is on action method, right? Press enter key. Then only if you've done something else, you have to press enter key. Then only it will be applied, right? All things are fine. Now let's file, save. Just change the save form. Now go to the preview, show of preview. You can see here. This is a preview. This is the preview. I want to get back to my IntelliJ IDEA. So how to get them this same preview? Let's say I already saved. After that, quit. Now here, if you have quit the window, here all the code will be generated over here. Okay, it's generated over here. Now you can see that all the code will be generated, but we have to do something else over here. All the code will be generated, but here you can see the on click button. Actually, the on click. Here, select the on click. I want to create this on click method in my controller. Okay, this is the design will be there in the view. The control is the part where I control the view, right? So here controller we have to write the codes. So select the button bt and click here. Very simple. Here you can see here convert the attribute tags. So here, let's go back to my controller part so that we already done this one, that's why it's showing right. Okay, let's do it again. Now here the btn is coming like this. Okay, when you enter like this. Okay, the btn is coming like this when you drag the code. Right now here it is, if you are done this, it is coming, this is not error. It asks import the create method btn in the text form controller. Okay, btn click, it is create, this method should create in the text form control. Where's the text form control? This is, it is reside on the controller folder. If you click this option, it will be the method has been created in the text form controller. Right, now let's back to again the view. Now I have another id, text name. These are the variables. These variables I need to create in the text form controller. You can create manually, but uh, the IntelliJ generated the auto created. So here click here the bulb symbol. Here create field text main. If you click this option here, the all the variables will be created like this. Very simple. This all the things. This is the beauty of the JavaFX. Now again go here. Now this is a label. Label also click on the label. If you click on the label, txt message, this is the name you are given. Here you can see at the left hand corner there's a bulb symbol, yellow bulb symbol. Click on here, create the field txt message. Right, everything correct. Now you no need to do anything. Here it also simple. Now if you have whatever text you are type, it will be assigned the variable. Here JavaFX we have to create the variable. There's a Java showing application. So here you can see the beauty of the JavaFX. Txt name dot get text. You type get text. You can see here there's a here also the bulb symbol. Click on here. Here you can see introduce the local variable. If you click on this here, variable also they created. Okay here. Okay. So variable also that will be created. Very simple. Now here you can give the name of the variable only. What is the name you are given? I'm going to give the name. That's it. Very simple. Press enter key. After that, what you are going to do is, what's the name enter on this text field? It's assigned to the variable name. So what you are going to do is here, I have to print out this message, txt message text field. Message text label, txt message dot set text. Throw this name, Control C to copy, Control V to paste over here. That's it. Very simple. That's the stuff you have to do. After done stuff, I need to this message dot we have to clear. Sorry, dot clear. See, yeah, we have to set text. You have to clear like this. After done the thing, after that we have to write txt message dot not message. This is label name. This one name. This name. This is also the name. Okay. After the text should be displayed on the label. After that, clear the text on the text field, right? Text field, this one clear. After that, we have to run the request focus. The cursor should be focused on the text name, text field. Okay. First, you have to display the text. After that, after display the text, the name. After display the text on the label, text need to be removed. After that, it again the cursor would be focused on the txt name to allow to enter the another name. Right now, let's run and check. Now let's run it over here. Click here. You can see this building. Right, it's building. It is now you will be able to see the output. Now you can see here. Now it successfully form will be displayed. Now if you are type hello JavaFX, click OK. Why it's not giving the output? Sorry. The problem is this here, this txt message, this name should be printed on txt message text field. That's right. I need to clear this one. The message should be displayed on txt message text field. That's why That would be there. Now I can run and check. Java FX. Here, Java FX will be displayed over here. John, John will be displayed. Okay, hello Java FX. Click OK. Yeah, hello Java FX will be displayed. I hope you guys you understood things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.